Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an OpenAI account and a verified email, plus a payment method if required. Once you have that, sign in, make sure to use a desktop browser for the developer console. Now navigate to the account section. This is where API access lives. You will see billing and API keys grouped together, so pause there. This makes the next steps faster because you already have identity and payment checks completed, which unlocks key creation immediately. Next, open the API keys area in your dashboard and click Create New Key. You should name the key descriptively. Think project or environment, so tracking is simple later. After creation, copy the key immediately because the platform will only show it once. Store it securely in a secret manager or encrypted note. Once done, restrict the key by assigning usage limits or IP rules if available. Since protecting the key prevents accident to finish, configure usage limits or IP restrictions, then test the key with a minimal API call to confirm it works. Include the key in the authorization header and inspect the response. If you encounter errors, check billing status, quota limits, and ensure your system clock is correct. Tokens often fail with skewed time. If the key was lost, revoke it and create a new one immediately. This secures your account and restores access without lingering risk.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.